Julian here. I'm showing you how to fix up your jump. So first you want to get some dirt. I've already done that. I've done all the steps. It's just you want to get some dirt, pick out all the rocks, or go onto a sheet of fencing or whatever, and then make a hole in the middle of the dirt, kind of like a volcano. Then you pour the water into the hole. Then you just start mixing it like that. Chop it up. Mix it some more. Chop it up. And then you want to use the rest of your water on your jump, so that way you have a stick. And then you can rub the mud all up your jump, kind of like this. It's also good for, oh crap, cool. Yeah, it's also good for fixing up your jump. I think it needs to be a little bit muddier. Hold on, guys. I think that should be good enough. Yeah. Make it like that. Let it slide down. Then it should fill in your holes. And once it dries up, you can pick out all the rocks or just compact it. Just like that. And I'm going to do another batch. Okay, that seems like enough. Okay. Good enough? Oh, it's heavy. Stick it up there. Oh, crap. It was heavy. I think I'm going to put a little more dirt on it. Another way to do it is just to put the mud on, get some dry dirt, and then it'll dry up real quick. Like, see? Smooth. And sliding down. If it starts to slide down, just go like that, and then go up real fast. Okay. Right down. As you can see, it's starting to fill in all the small holes. See here? Start doing that here, start compacting it. It's stuck. Start compacting it. Filling all the little holes. There used to be a hole here. That's gone. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.